Hey, today we're going to talk about the Monomi electric standing desk. And this is going to change the world for you if you're at a static desk that doesn't move. These things are crazy and I love them. Let's check it out. So first of all, you have a 28 inches deep by 55 inches wide tabletop. So you have plenty of space for larger computers, desk lamps, as you see here. So you have plenty of space up here to do the work that you need to do, right? So that's all well and good. So the beauty of this thing is how it raises and lowers. You have 4 different settings here for 4 different heights. Right now it's at its lowest height. It's in number 1. But if I wanted to raise it up just a little bit, all I got to do is press number 2 and it's going to come up almost 4 inches. You can see there in the digital pad. And then I'll do 3 if I want to go higher. And then 4 for higher still. And I'm sitting down right now, so that's going to be almost eye level with me. So if I wanted to stand up and work like so, there I go. Now, let's say I got all my work done. All I got to do over here is press number 1 again. Sit down and let the table come to me. How cool is that? It's made really well. You got steel legs. It does come with wheels, but we chose not to put the wheels on rather than have it roll around. We have a hard floor, so we didn't want it to just indiscriminately move around, so we just kept the wheels off. But the legs are made of steel, and then you have 3 pieces on top here that make up the table itself. So you'll have to put those together. It does require some assembly. So if you're comfortable with that, this is very easy to put together. It probably took me, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes to get it just the way I want it. And it was up and running, and now it's part of the household, and we're never going to go back. So do yourself a favor, pick up this desk, and you won't regret it.